morning, everyone. So, my next video, which I'm going to discuss with you, is on the topic of clinical trials, that is phase one clinical trial. In this video, I will discuss with you of the phase one clinical trial. And before I start my video, I want to request you, if you like this video and if it is helpful to you and if it is knowledgeable to you, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. That is Dr. Nitika Pharmacology Discussion. And now I'm going to discuss with you clinical trials and basically phase one clinical trials. Now, first of all, suppose one doctor is there and he is prescribing some drug. He is preparing the drug in the laboratory and he prepares 100 to 150 drugs in the laboratory, and he sends the instruction to the chemist to prescribe to supply these drugs. And these drugs may be very harmful to the patients because there is no study done on these drugs when this drug was prepared in the laboratory and the chemist was given the instruction to sell those drugs. It may be that they may be very harmful to the health of the patient. Now, to study the safety and efficacy of the drugs, we have the clinical trials. First, the safety and efficacy is studied in the animals. That is, preclinical toxicity studies are done in which various toxicity studies are done: acute toxicity study, chronic toxicity study, subacute toxicity study. These studies are done on animals like rats and mice, and if they are found safer in these animals, then the study is done on the humans. And when the study is done on the human volunteers, in patients and in humans, this is known as clinical trial. And now I'm going to discuss with you phase one clinical trial. Now, phase one clinical trial, it is the trial which is occurring on which we carry on the healthy volunteers. Means we carry this phase one clinical trial on healthy volunteers, and this trial uh, we do on the healthy volunteers. Why? Because if we do the trial on the patients, their immune system is already very less. So if we give some drug and it produces a very intolerable side effect, very harmful side effect, the immune system is already less, so the patient may not tolerate the side effect and may die. But in humans, volunteers, in healthy patients, the immune system is good. And if we give the drug and any side effects is produced, so no effect will be produced. And in this clinical trial, there is no study of the efficacy. We just study about the safety of the clinical trial. We study about the toxicity of the drug, and this is the maximum tolerated dose is studied. Means the maximum tolerated dose, we give the doses to the healthy volunteers. First, the smallest dose is given, and then slowly the dose is increased. And we do the various investigations like hemogram, LFT, KFT, ultrasound, X-ray, and various MRI. These tests are done to know the various physiological parameters of the humans to study the toxicity of the drug in the humans, and this is done on the healthy volunteers. But now, in some cases, like in case of cancer, the patient is suffering from cancer, and the drug as the anti-cancer drug, if we give on the humans, that is on the healthy volunteers, that may produce intolerable side effects. In those cases, this is unethical to test the anti-cancer drugs on the humans in the healthy volunteers. We do the study of the anti-cancer drugs in the patients only because they may produce the intolerable side effects in the healthy volunteers, because the anti-cancer drugs are toxic to the healthy humans also very much. So the test is done on the patients only. And this is the toxicity study. This is the how we calculate the maximum toxicity tolerated dose in this trial, which is phase one trial. And that's all for phase one clinical trial. I hope you like this video. And if you like this video, I want to request you, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. There is Dr. Nitika Pharmacology Discussion. Thank you. Be happy, be healthy, be blessed, be safe. Happy learning. Thank you. Be happy. Happy learning.